We are pleased to show you the 2018 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.